What's up, guys? This is Max from hardwarehobbyist.com, and today I have with me a Steelseries 6Gv2 keyboard. This is one of Steelseries' mechanical keyboards. The 7G is another one, but I'm not actually sure the difference, but Bill bought this used off of EVGA forums at a really good price. It was only $45, which is a third of my DOS keyboard. So it's a really good keyboard for the price. And the guy who had it had only used it for a couple weeks, so we bought it off him, and here it is. So another reason why EVGA forums is a great place to shop for your stuff. But I'm just going to do a little unboxing here and show you guys the keyboard. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with a little manual, a nice Steelseries sticker. Stickers are always really important. And then your PS2 to USB adapter so that you can have the N key rollover, which it does support. And alright, so here's the keyboard itself. A USB cable, and it's nice and heavy, just like the DOS. Sturdy construction, and it will last a really long time. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in through my DOS's hub right here and see how that works out. Actually, I'm not sure if I have the hub hooked up even, so this might not be on. But anyway, I'm going to show you how the keys sound in a second here. This one actually has Cherry MX Black keys as opposed to the MX Blue keys that the DOS keyboard has. The black keys do not give you a tactile feel halfway through the press, so there's no way to actually know when the key is registered. But it does have a very light feel to it, just like the other one. And as you can see, if I press halfway down here, there's that click. And here, it just goes all the way down smoothly. And this keyboard is much quieter than the DOS keyboard. And the black keys are even quieter than the brown keys, which DOS also sells in their silent models. So this is probably one of the quietest mechanical keyboards you can get. Another thing to note about it is the layout of the enter key and backspace key. It's got a nice big backspace key, and the enter key is one that is sort of like a backwards L shape. So keep that in mind if you're used to this button right here. Instead, it's moved down here, the bar and backslash, and the shift key is just a little bit smaller. So you can see on the DOS, it's a very large one. Alright, so I'm going to get this hooked up and then show you guys another N key rollover demonstration. Alright guys, so I hooked up my old Logitech keyboard that I used in the other video as a reference. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not really going to put the camera down for this. I'm just going to put my palm on a bunch of letter keys and then see what happens on Word. So actually, let me move Word over to this screen. And then, alright. Okay, so this is the non-N key rollover keyboard. Actually, let me zoom in and do that again. Alright. So I put my palm down right in the middle of all the letter keys, and you can see it only prints like a couple at a time. And alright, so that's the non-N key rollover, and then this is with the N key rollover on the new Steelseries one. So as you can see, it prints every single one instantly. Again, it works very well. And you need your PS2 adapter to be plugged in for this to work. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick typing demonstration to show the difference between the sound of the Steelseries and the DOS, which has, again, this is the Cherry MX Black switches, and this one has the Cherry MX Blue switches. Alright guys, so I'm just going to type a sentence with each keyboard, and you can listen to the sound difference. I hope I have the mic close enough so that the sound is pretty clear. So this is the Steelseries 6Gv2 first. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch keyboards here. Let's see if that's still a good shot. Yep. Alright, and then this is the DOS Ultimate keyboard. Alright, so that's the difference between the two. One thing that I notice is that the Steelseries keys are, I think they definitely take a bit more pressure to push down than these do. But again, you don't get the click, so it's a lot nicer when you bottom out the keys that there's a little bit of force there to keep it, to make your finger bounce up a little bit faster so you can move on to the next key press. And other than that, I think it's a really nice keyboard. I love the finish on it. It's sort of like a textured plastic finish, and it won't get fingerprints on it like the DOS keyboard does. And I don't know, it's all around, I would give it a very good review. Again, the keys are printed on it, unlike the DOS, so you won't have problems. Especially, like I still have problems with brackets and parentheses and stuff like that, but I'm getting used to it more. So that's it for the review, guys. I'm just going to press a few keys here so you can get an even better feel for how it sounds. Oh, one more thing that I forgot to mention. It actually does not come with any legs that pop out. So you're going to have to rig something up if it's not in a good position for you. But actually, the position that it comes in and the angle that it's at is actually very nice. I find it to be almost perfect. So I wouldn't use the legs anyway, so just keep that in mind if you're looking to buy it. So I'll just do a few key presses, like, so you can hear how it sounds. Alright, and then again the DOS is a reference. Alright guys, so hope you like this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and more unboxings will be on the way whenever we get any new products. Thanks for watching, guys.